Well, hey, friends. We have me and the Peanut Gallery have been trying to come up with y'all some lighter summer recipes because some places are so hot. What's that? Some places are so hot that, you just want to eat as light as you can. So, for that reason, I'm making y'all a fruit soup. Let's see, what is a fruit soup? That's what it's called. And this is from a magazine, and it's different, and I just think y'all are gonna like it. So I've got what I call a Dutch oven pot, and I'm adding my cantaloupes that are cut up, my strawberries that are cut up, my green grapes that have been sliced in two, and then I've got my apples just chopped and the peeling left on them. So they all go in the pot. Into the pot, I'm going to add some sugar. Oh, it's a little seed. And some lemon juice. And that is fresh lemon juice. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then I'll cut it down and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So at the end, when we're done, we'll want to put this in the refrigerator and chill it down real good. Probably wouldn't hurt to stick it in the freezer for a few minutes and then take it out and put it in the refrigerator. So it's going to be refreshing and it's going to be healthy and you're going to be happy. I hope. I hope. All right, y'all, our soup is looking good. Now, I brought it to a boil, and then I let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to do this in shifts. I'm going to do like half of it at the time. And we're going to blend it until it's smooth. We're going to have like a slushy soup. But if you like cold soups during the summer, this will be nice. Another good cold soup, Teresa, is gazpacho. A lot of people love that. Now you can blend this as much as you want. I am blending ours pretty smooth. Okay, I think we're safe now. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to put it back in my pot because we want this to sit in the refrigerator and chill really nicely. And then I'll show you how we are going to present it, the presentation of this soup. All right, I'm putting some thinly sliced orange rind into my bowl. Yum. And the last thing we add is our orange juice. And this is real chilled. We actually separated it and put one bowl in the freezer and one in the refrigerator. So this is the one that's been in the refrigerator. And naturally, this is the one that I want to get my teeth into. Yes, a cold soup. And we're going to top it with a dollop of sour cream. And if you grow some fresh mint around your house, put some fresh mint in there too, because that mint will just go right along with all those fruit flavors, y'all. Okay. Teresa, would you like to come have some soup with me?
I will taste.
Okay. Well,
I'm gonna dig into your bowl.
Okay.
Just grab it a little.
If I knock your
stir
spoon away, here. There's a soup spoon. We're gonna be civilized.
Do we know how to do that?
Once in a while, I know how. Mm-hmm. This is so delicious.
Oh, perfect.
So good. The sour cream just makes it. I just got a thin piece of that orange rind. So good. I hope y'all love it. Hope you love it. Speaking of love, I'm sending all of y'all out there loving Best Dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and Best Dishes, y'all.